Okay, everybody, we just picked up this 1987 Ford Bronco Eddie Bauer edition, and we're gonna start by knocking off some of the ugly. So these aftermarket side steps gotta go, and even though I like the patina, the original paint, it's gonna look way better in a fresh paint job. So we're gonna strip it down, get it to paint. Here we go. Getting her stripped down for paint, grills off. We're gonna still get the emblems off and the side mirrors. Side steps are off, the beauty rings on the fenders. Took off the tire carrier, it's over there now. Your spare tire. A really nice beauty panel on the tailgate. Rear bumper's gone. Getting ready for paint. Got the window wipes off. Gonna get a good paint job. Just got the Bronco back from paint this morning, and it is a Ford factory color midnight blue. It's just gorgeous. The blue on this thing and the sparkle. Really grabs the sun. Painters did a great job. Look at that beautiful baby. Love metallic paints. It's really coming together. One of the last things that I couldn't find, I was searching the internet for, that we needed was the spare tire cover, because our original, cracked really bad on the top, really sun faded, has just seen its life. So the only ones I was finding for sale were black with white lettering. That just wasn't going to be the right look. And finally I found this company. These are American made. I hate getting anything from China anymore anyways, and it's the color match doe skin. Really nice quality, and they're based out of Orlando, Florida. So give them a look if you need anything. Sparecover.com. Made in USA. Boycott, made in China. Looks great on the truck. Not long ago we started restoring this 87 Bronco Eddie Bauer edition. It's really come a long way in a short time. It just looks beautiful. New paint, some new side mirrors, new emblems. Really knocked the ugly off it, getting rid of those side steps. They got a new Flowmaster exhaust. We're able to find a new matching rear tire cargo cover. Got a lot of new rubbers installed on the windows. Really a beautiful truck.